My name is Courtney Cephas, and I'm the head of the Health for Life and Wellness Foundation. That's the non-profit arm that is responsible for all philanthropic giving to the public health sector in Jamaica. Now, on behalf of the Ministry of Health and Wellness and the Honorable Minister, Dr. Christopher Tufton, we'd like to thank the JAHJAH Foundation for its presence this week in its 13th annual mission. We'd like to thank the JAHJAH Foundation for its sustained commitment to serving and enhancing the public health sector. Annually, we receive approximately US $10 million in donations and missions to Jamaica. That equates to, in terms of mission, over 200 plus missions that come to the island. When I assumed responsibility for the foundation in August 2018, there's one organization that somehow stood out among all the organizations on the donation, and that organization is the JAHJAH Foundation. I'm not sure if it's the name that just rings off the tongue nicely, JAHJAH Foundation, and which really and truly its name spells out exactly what the organization is about. Jamaicans abroad helping Jamaicans back home. So nice. Is it the simple fact that the organization in its work has been so impactful given the many things that it is involved in. Health missions, 13th year that it's here now doing it. Donations of equipment, service to the education sector, there are schools that they have adopted, multi-partnerships that they have been engaged in Jamaica, the Negril Rotary Club, Negril Chamber of Commerce, the Ministry of Health, Ministry of Education, and special projects that I know they're doing and I'm working with them on. The dental suite, for example, Negril Health Center, they're doing a wonderful job in putting a dental suite, outfitting a 40-foot container there, and great work is going on there. And also tremendous infrastructure improvement that's done at the Ulster Spring Health Center. Once again, tremendous amount of work for JAHJAH, and I'd like to thank them for all the work that they're doing. Thanks to the JAHJAH Foundation for today's donation of the BiPAP machines and for their relentless giving to the people of Jamaica.